If you have created an Instagram page that you no longer want to use, you can easily delete it by following these steps. Open the Instagram app on your phone and go to the account you wish to delete. Tap on the menu icon at the top right corner of your profile and select Settings and Privacy. Tap on Account Center. Scroll down to Account Settings and tap on Personal Details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control, then Deactivation and Deletion. Tap on the page you wish to delete. Select Delete Account and then tap on Continue. Choose a reason for deleting your account and tap Continue again. Enter your password for security and tap Continue. Finally, click Delete Account to confirm. That's it! You have successfully deleted your Instagram page. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.